Welcome back to my channel, my sweet dear lovely viewers. I'm back again with a very sweet update, which is on how to participate in Binance $10,000 reward pool of crypto world. That's crypto worlds. That's playing with words, playing puzzles, playing with crypto worlds in general, where you'll be having a lot of options, like 6 options to make, and you have to win a pass like 5 at least before you qualify for the reward. So, and I'll be showing you, I'll be giving you hints you can be using for the words actually. So now let me take you to Binance and show you how it works. So I'm already on it, but let me go back so that you can actually see, how it works. This is how you, once you come to the home page on Binance, just click on more. This is more. Let me show you. This is more. Once you click on more, you scroll down, you click on this WODL, that's word. So they use word in crypto terms. So that's, you click on it, it takes you here. I've actually tried the first attempt. You can see what it means is, if you want to know how the rules are, you just click here, click on this. It will show you how you can see the green letter. When you see green, it means it is the right word and in the right position. But when you see yellow, it means that particular word is part of the words you are looking for, but it is not in the right position. But when you see this gray, or is it black, it means the word does not, it doesn't appear in the word you are trying to get. So that's how it works. So now let's go back. Now I used farming. It's 7-letter words, as you can see. So now I need to get words. I have some words I have somewhere, so I'll show you guys how it works. You can see them right here. I have them here. You can see 7-letter words. There is MAINNET, there is TESTNET. So we already have in the options. I have IN, which is correct. So let's try MAINNET. If it doesn't work, I've tried farming, it doesn't work. So now let me go try MAINNET and see these words. I'll drop them for you in the, what is it called, video description section, so that you can also use no, I can't use MAINNET, sorry, because A shows, you can see A here, it shows A is not part of the word I'm trying to get. So there's no point using MAINNET since MAINNET contains A. So now let's look for another word with IN. Could it be Bitcoin or Genesis? Okay, let's try Bitcoin. If it's wrong, then we'll go again. Sorry, what am I pressing? Bitcoin. Let's try this. Wow, I'm correct. I don't know why Bitcoin wasn't the first thing that come to my head. So now the next thing you do, once you get one, they'll give you the time when you'll be able to come for another word. So just click on get a new word, so that you know when you come back for next game. So here you can share this with your contacts so that they can also participate. So for mine now, all I need to do is I'll just click this. Once I click this, all you need to do, you can just what is it called, I'll drop it for you. I'll drop it for you in the video description section, so that it will take you to the page directly on Binance, so you don't have to stress yourself. So now that's that for that. Then I'll cancel, then I'll click on get a new word. So it's not showing. So for now, what I'll just do is I'll go back and come back later. So here I can just, let me click and log in again. It's supposed to show the time, but if it doesn't show, you just hold on and wait for after some time, then you come back, like after some hours. So you see I'm supposed to get new words, so but it's still not showing. It's just showing this. Okay, share. So this is it. Just come back after some time. The last time I did it actually did the same. It didn't show me the hours I will come back, but at least give it minimum of 10 hours then you can come back and try again. So once you try 5 times, you qualify, and you win 5 times, you qualify. Just make sure you use the words I drop in the video description section. At least if one doesn't work, just make sure you are taking note of the words that are not correct, that are not part of it, and the words that are not in the right position. So once you do that, to get the right answer won't be very difficult. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Wish you all the best. Bye bye. So that's how sweet crypto is. So sometimes it might the money might not be much, but sometimes playing the game it can help you even mentally somehow. And even if it's, no matter how little free money is, it is still free. So please don't ignore it because you think maybe Binance may not give you much money or something. Just give it a try. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye. Have fun.